In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use charts with Mermaid in Notion. If you've ever wanted quick, clean diagrams right inside a Notion page, Mermaid makes it simple. Mermaid is a text-based way to draw flowcharts and other diagrams. You write a few lines of plain text, and Notion turns them into a polished chart. So you can map processes and decisions without leaving your notes. First, make sure your code block is set to the right language. Open the language selector on the block. By default, it may say JavaScript or plain text. Click it. Search for Mermaid, and select it. Choosing Mermaid tells Notion to interpret the text as a diagram instead of regular code, which is essential for rendering. If Mermaid doesn't appear right away, just type its name into the search field to filter the list. Now enter your Mermaid syntax. You can type it from scratch or paste the starter flowchart. Mermaid graph TD. A start, fay b fay decision fay, b, fay is fay sur salt 1, b. The line graph TD sets the layout to flow from top to bottom. A, B, C, and D are node IDs. Keep them short and without spaces. The text in brackets is what shows on each node. Square brackets create a standard rectangular step, like start or result 1. Curly braces create a diamond-shaped decision. Perfect for branching. The arrows connect nodes and labels between vertical bars like yes and no. Annotate the paths. You can place each statement on its own line and end lines with semicolons for clarity. If you prefer left to right diagrams, you can use GraphLR instead of GraphTD. But keep the rest the same. A helpful tip: think brackets for steps, braces for decisions, and pipes for path labels. You don't need to memorize every symbol at once. As you type, Notion renders the chart in real time in the preview panel. This live view makes it easy to adjust text, rename nodes, or reroute connections until the diagram reflects your process. If the chart doesn't appear, double-check that the language is set to Mermaid and that your first diagram line begins with GraphTD. Or another valid direction. Look for missing brackets or stray characters, since even a small typo can prevent rendering. You can also resize the block area in Notion to give the preview more room, which helps when diagrams get wider. That's all you need. Pick Mermaid in the language selector, paste or write your syntax. And let Notion's live preview bring your chart to life fast, readable, and easy to update right where you work. Thanks for watching.